Alright, we're under a severe thunder tornado watch. Yeah, there we go. And our yard almost flooded and we got hail. I don't know if you can see the hail, but it's down there. Crazy freaking leaves and stuff all over the place.
What you doing?
Recording.
There's a big fucking log that fell out of the damn tree.
Where? As long as it doesn't hit my car. Well, I guess we can put it in the fire pit, but it's got to dry first. Oh crap, I'm ringing. Hello?
Holy
Oh my gosh, it's nuts. I'm recording. Yeah, I'm outside on my porch. Amy's actually outside in the yard.
I'm picking up logs.
Listen to that thunder. Listen to it roar.
Look at this shit.
This is Cassie.
Who's that?
Jim. Oh, did ya? I'm glad she liked them. Which one is that? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, there's like leaves like all over. Oh yeah, guess what Amy did? She forgot about Dexter. Yeah, I had to run out there, get myself all wet, grabbed his ass, threw him in the house. Amy, is your window broken?
No.
Oh my god, that's a shocker. Alright.
Hey, is her mom there?
Is your mom there? Amy wants to know. She wants... Yeah, she's okay. We're fine, but she wants to talk to your mom real quick. Okay. Hello?
Yeah, your daughter's fine. She's in my basement, but she's freaking out. She wanted to know where you were because she came down earlier and you weren't home. And then it started to get all
Flooding
bad
our
stuff.
yard.
And she was freaking out because of the bad storm. And she didn't know where you were. Okay. When it lets up, I'll walk her down.
You have to take her bite.
Yeah, well, I wouldn't let her, so.
Yeah, my way.
I'm not that stupid.
Alright, I'm going out in the rain. Oh, I got wet.
Woo! Woo! I'm taking a free shower! Woo! Where's my shampoo?
Hey, look. It's freaking hail.
I need shampoo! Woo!
And I'm getting soaked.
I need shampoo! Shampoo! Shampoo!
Okie dokie smoky. Holy crickles! Oh my god. We came up here just in time. Now look at it. Hold this. I need to wipe my hand off so I can wipe the camera off.
Oh, you should see the roof.
Why? Is it like leaves?
Oh boy.
All leaves?
I can tell you I'm going to have to get up there and sweep it off.
Katie?
Hey! You talk to your mom. She's home now. She said she knows you're okay. And she's fine. And I told her when it lets her up and it's okay to go down.
All right, signing off. Ciao.